This video is para sa ating mga social workers na nasa field who are handling children in conflict with the law. So may dalawang circumstances tayo. Number one is, what if ang bata is 15 and below? Of course, we know that 15 and below are exempted from criminal liability. Now, if they committed a crime which is an impossible penalty of not more than 6 years, ang mangyayari sa kanya, he will be undergoing intervention. Now, what if ang bata is 15 and below but he committed a crime, a serious crime such as murder, rape, or violation of 9165, which has an impossible penalty of more than 12 years. Ang mangyayari sa kanya is he or she will be put in a bahay pag-asa. And pag ipapasok siya sa bahay pag-asa, whether it's either by voluntary commitment, wherein the parents or the guardian of a child executed a voluntary commitment na ipapasok siya ng bahay pag-asa without their consent, or voluntary commitment, then that would be an involuntary commitment ang gagawin ng LSWDO, and the head of office of the Social Welfare Office will file a petition before a family court. And if approved, if granted, saka pa lang siya papasok ng bahay pag-asa. Now, the other thing is yung 15 and below na nakakommit ng simple theft. On the first instance, hindi siya pwedeng ipasok sa bahay pag-asa. However, if he committed again theft, subject na siya, pwede na siyang ipasok sa bahay pag-asa in the IGISC, the Intensive Juvenile Intervention Facility sa loob ng bahay pag-asa. Paano siya papasok? Of course, kailangan na ma-establish that in the first offense, nagkaroon ng intervention, and eventually naging failure yung intervention niya, and he committed again an offense. Now, paano siya ipapasok sa bahay pag-asa? Kailangan yung parents or guardian mag-execute ng voluntary commitment na papasok siya ng bahay pag-asa. In absence of that, kung hindi sila magbibigay, of course, the LSWDO will file a petition before a family court para ipasok siya ng bahay pag-asa. Now, on the second offense naman, if ever serious crime yung nakomit niya, hindi na kailangan i-prove na yung bata on the first offense had underwent a intervention program. Kasi, of course, alam naman natin, pag serious crime or serious offense ang nakomit ng isang bata, 15 and below, ipapasok talaga siya sa bahay pag-asa, either voluntarily or through involuntary commitment, through a court order by the family court. So that's it. This information would hopefully help our fellow social workers. Pero ang pinaka-challenge talaga is saang bahay pag-asa mo ipapasok or i-refer yung CICL.